Need a winter holiday escape? Forget your cares in Fiji. White sand beaches and scuba diving are calling. Your tropical paradise getaway is just one nonstop Fiji Airways flight away, with round-trip fares starting at $899 from LAX or SFO. Or check out great fares to Australia and New Zealand with seamless connections via Fiji. Book now at FijiAirways.com. From here to happiness, flying direct with Fiji Airways.
Why do simultaneous interpreters need a monitor in the booth? Simultaneous interpreters need a monitor in the booth to see the presentations better. Some conference rooms are large and typically the interpreting booth is installed in the very end of the seating rows. To make the matter worse, attendants may occasionally walk past in front of the booth, which disturbs the concentration of interpreters. Please note that simultaneous interpreting requires very sharp reflexes and a cognitive capacity to translate sentences in a matter of seconds. Interpreters need clear and uninterrupted visibility of the conference room, the stage, and the speakers. Because communication has both verbal and also nonverbal elements. Hearing only will not suffice in most cases. We strongly recommend that interpreters have one large or two small monitors in their booth to better see the presentations and/or the speakers on the stage. Also make sure that the monitors are not too large to block the overall view of the room or to invade the limited space available to interpreters in the booth. Photo credit, swissinfo.ch.
With Lucky Land Slots, you can get lucky just about anywhere.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to... Has anyone seen the bride and groom?
Sorry, we're here. We were getting lucky in the limo and we lost track of time.
No, Lucky Land Casino, with cash prizes that add up quicker than a guest registry.
In that case, I pronounce you lucky.
Play for free at LuckyLandSlots.com. Daily bonuses are waiting. No purchase necessary. Void where prohibited by law. 18+. Terms and conditions apply. See website for details.